Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Soul Food with Vaishali Bhatnagar. Today we are going to make cheese burst pizza. Let's make. I will dust some flour and make this base. ये चीज़ बर्स्ट पिज़्ज़ा के लिए है, ये उसका टॉप पार्ट है. अभी आपको आगे वीडियो में पता चलेगा कि हम इसको कैसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो इसे हमें रोल करना है. ये हमारा एक बेस रेडी है और इसको हम प्रिक कर लेंगे ताकि ये पफ अप ना हो जाए, ये अंदर तक अच्छी तरह से सिक जाए. नाउ वी विल टेक अनदर बॉल ऑफ डो. अगेन रोल इट. ये थोड़ा सा साइज़ में बड़ा है because we are going to fill the cheese spread in this. अभी आप देखेंगे कि हम किस तरह से इसको fill करेंगे. We have to make a boundary like this so that our cheese spread doesn't come out. Again we'll do the same thing. So the base is ready. So we have already put our oven on 250 degrees centigrade for preheating. We are going to bake our pizza on 250 degrees. तो तब तक हमने ये सारा काम कर लिया है और इस oven की ट्रे को मैंने ऑयल से ग्रीस करके and I have dusted flour so that the base doesn't stick to it. And now I am going to shift the base on the tray. Nothing to worry, nothing will happen to the dough. Just make it this. Okay. And now we'll spread cheese sauce, the cheese spread. Cheese sauce recipe already on the channel and the link is given in the description box below. You can always use that recipe. It's an amazing recipe. For now I am using market bought cheese spread. Choice is yours. So one part of our base is ready. We'll take a pan on a very low flame. Just apply some butter with a brush or with a spoon, and the base, the first one, the one we had made, we are going to just cook it for a while. This doesn't have to be very thin because we are going to put the pizza topping on this, so it has to be a bit sturdy so that it takes the weight of all the vegetables and cheese. So this is one tip you must always remember. Don't roll the base which is going to be on the top. Don't roll it very thin. Now this is done and we'll let it cool. तो ये हमारा टॉप जो है वो रेडी हो चुका है और ये हमने पहले ही रेडी करके रख दिया था. तो अब हम इसको के ऊपर रख देंगे. We are going to cover the edges. We will apply a little bit of water so that the dough sticks to it. Now this is the burst base which is ready. Now we are going to put the pizza sauce and the topping. We are going to put pizza sauce. For the recipe of this pizza sauce is given in my description box. Do watch that video. It's an amazing pizza sauce recipe. बहुत ही बढ़िया pizza sauce recipe है ये, जो मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट है. अच्छे से इस पे पिज़्ज़ा सॉस स्प्रेड कर दिया है. हम इसमें डालेंगे मोज़रेला चीज़. आप प्रोसेस चीज़ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं या दोनों भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. चॉइस इज़ योर्स. नाउ वी विल पुट सम अनियंस. You can put veggies of your choice. You can put mushrooms. Those who are non-vegetarians, they can put some chicken. I'm using some red, yellow and green bell peppers. Color in the food is always appetizing. It is very appealing to the eyes. As it is said, you eat with your eyes first. So always try to make our food very appealing, delicious and pretty. We will put some corn and some olives. You can put jalapenos, green chilies. It's absolutely up to you. Now put some chili flakes. We are going to put chili flakes later also. And I will apply a little bit of the sauce on the sides so that they don't go dry and flavorless. Though we have flavored our dough, that is the reason I flavor my pizza dough. ताकि जो corners हैं उसमें भी flavor रहता है, वो आपको फीका नहीं लगेगा. इसीलिए मैंने बेस में भी फ्लेवर डाला है. पिज़्ज़ा बेस की रेसिपी आप मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया है, उसमें देख सकते हैं. इट्स एन अमेजिंग रेसिपी. इट्स ए ईस्ट फ्री रेसिपी. इसमें कोई ईस्ट नहीं है. So you can always go to that link, check for the pizza base recipe and for the pizza sauce recipe. So now this pizza is ready to be baked at 250 degrees centigrade for almost 15 to 20 minutes. So let's bake our pizza. Our cheese burst pizza is ready now. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. If you like all my videos, do like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.